So you went from 85 grand, and then you say what, that was 9 years ago or 7 years ago?
7 years ago.
7 years ago. And so do you mind sharing where you are now with your company?
Yeah, so last year we hit about 7.2 million, and it really grew from, there's a lot, I know we'll get into it, but added a lot of services, got lucky with some great clients, but then I don't say just lucky, I put myself in that position and we took advantage of it. Absolutely. But yeah, last year closed at 7.2 million. This year projected to hit about 10. It's not going to be easy, but dude, it's crazy because I tell people too is the year before that. So we made the Inc. 5000 list, number 1496, which was always a dream. There's not many cleaning companies that make that list. So our jump to make that list was from 2.4 in 17 to 4.2 million in 2018. But it's crazy how I just got the gist of running a $4 million company to then hit 7 million. It's a whole nother ballgame. Like every year you think you have it and you don't, man. It's now we're having, our issues are upper management hires, upper management, personnel, where before it was technicians, supervisors, leads. It's crazy, man. It's exciting though. I say it, I take it with a grain of salt, but it's exciting.